I got the truck out with this. You couldn't have seen out of that window, so I didn't even try filming it. But she never spun a tire. All right, let's get on to the next disaster. Well, this is the power steering line for old Red here. I just had a new piece put on there, compression fittings. We won't get it on. Got a leak. Believe we're good. Load number 2 for the day. So we got the cylinder off yesterday. Got a new one ordered. And this is bent, and we've got a cylinder man, probably could have made that, but it had a eyelet that come out that was different, and we probably would have had to look hard to find one of them. So time is of the essence, so we went ahead and looked at some salvage yards, and they were going to have to order it from another salvage yard. It's going to be a few days out getting one here. So we ordered a new one, and it's double the price of one from a salvage yard. But as I said, time is of the essence. And it looked rainy this morning, and if you notice, I've got a hoodie on, and I just loaded another semi out. Well, we're gonna try to shell some corn today. Well, we headed to downtown here. Trying to hold the camera and drive both, but this is downtown 5 Points. 5 roads come into this intersection here to the store. We shelling corn today, or a little bit. Well, we don't have the surging of the lunging forward of the hydrostat fixed yet. We got a good idea of what's going on with it, but and it's done it with the header too. Wants to raise the header real fast. But the little community we just come through, 5 Points, used to be a cotton gin in town. And nobody grows cotton here anymore. But it's, when I was a kid, I had a bunch of old warehouses and stuff to hold cotton. And that was all before my day. And we still own Craig's corn. This field, the field we're just out of, hadn't been cropped in a couple of years, been in hay. I've had people before ask me about who Craig is. Craig's been in several of my videos, and he helps me from time to time when I need it, and I help him out. But Craig was a dairy farmer up until February of 2020. Tornado come through, wiped his dairy barn out while they was milking cows one night. Fortunately, him and his family was okay, but the barn was gone. They decided not to rebuild. So he drives a school bus and has some beef cattle and sells a little hay, and has got back in the crop business this year. Well, we didn't get the swing out auger fixed, so we're going to improvise on this. do what you gotta do. Well, found out there's a safety switch on that. Current situation with our semi. He ran out of fuel. That's where Dad's at. Trying to get the semi crank. He's having to bleed the lines and seal the filters and everything else. Before Dave took off today, he said I've got enough fuel probably for 2 more loads, and he didn't even get all the way back. Got the end rows cut out. We're going back and forth. I've got to go pick my kids up at school about 2:30, and Craig's got to go drive the school bus. So we're going to try to get that semi loaded before we have to go. This will probably be the last harvest video for a while. Getting 3 days of rain. Don't know how much we're gonna get, but it sounds like it's gonna put us out for a couple of days, maybe even a week. So I'll try to get something else in here in between now and then, but and we might miss it all, so who knows. Grain cart man. Grain cart man's in the shade. Well, we had another scare when I pulled up to unload on him. I had to pull forward a little bit, and it wouldn't go forward with me. When he moved the cart, I put it in reverse, finally got it moved again. But we're definitely going to have to do something about this hydrostat. And Dad's been talking to mechanics this morning, trying to figure out what all we need to do, how to troubleshoot it. And I don't guess him and Dave's got the semi crank yet either. So they got the truck back going. Dad's here at the field. Craig has left to run the yellow dog, the school bus, and probably when I get this hopper filled, I'm gonna jump the grain cart, and then I'm gonna have to run and get my kids, which I won't be gone long. But probably while I'm gone, Dad and cameraman Mike is going to check out the combine more than likely and see why it's done that's jerking. There's the terrace, I gotta put you down. Well, now I'm in the grain cart for a few more minutes anyways, and then I'm gonna turn over to cameraman Mike, and then when I get back, I'll be back in the grain cart. This ain't done. I'm gonna have to clean the windows for you. Well, I've made it back to the field. I think Mike's got me some video, he said, but in case it don't make it on here, had a header chain sprocket on the nose come loose, bearing went bad, so we're running on 5 rows right now, but he don't like much at all. Well, we got done. Not a whole lot accomplished, but we got another field that not really ours out. Not much going on in this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it anyways. And thank you for watching. Appreciate you, and hello to my new subscribers. Appreciate you subscribing, and leave me some comments, and I'm gonna unload this on there, and maybe that'll make Craig a truckload. And I've got a birthday party to go to. My youngest son is turning 7, or turned 7 today, so happy birthday, Seth. Y'all will probably get this on the day after. So until next time.